Palantir Technologies has started this week with a noticeable show of strength, as its stock price continued climbing on Tuesday, marking the second day of gains. This momentum was fueled largely by favorable research notes released by several influential Wall Street firms, which expressed optimism about the company's long-term prospects. Investors seemed encouraged by these updates, especially after the company hosted its Artificial Intelligence Platform Conference, commonly referred to as AIPCon, earlier this week. On Monday, Palantir shares rose by 2%, and the very next day, the stock increased again, climbing an additional 1.9% to close at $159.01. This recent rise has brought Palantir's stock back slightly above where it had been trading at the beginning of August, which is an important rebound considering that the company had been dealing with a noticeable slump for much of the prior month. Analysts noted that the company's profitable growth strategy and its unique strength in converting both data and artificial intelligence into actionable solutions for customers have not lost momentum. Mariana Perez Mora of Bank of America Securities emphasized these strengths while reiterating the firm's buy rating on the stock. Bank of America Securities kept its price target at $180, pointing to continued confidence in the company's trajectory after attending Palantir's AIPCon event. At the conference itself, Palantir showcased its ontology architecture, a system that helps clients link and manage data across their entire organizations. Feedback from customers was especially positive. Well-known names such as American Airlines Group, BP, and Novartis spoke favorably about the platform, explaining that Palantir's technology has enhanced efficiency and created tangible improvements within their businesses. This endorsement from major corporations further strengthens the narrative that Palantir is delivering real value in a space where many competitors have struggled. As Perez Mora explained, while many enterprises across industries continue to find it challenging to realize meaningful benefits from artificial intelligence, Palantir's customers consistently stand out as exceptions. This ability to deliver practical, efficiency-driven outcomes positions Palantir well for continued expansion, both among its existing client base and in attracting new ones. Even when facing broader economic challenges, Palantir's capability to simplify complex operations has proven to be a major selling point. Analysts at UBS echoed this perspective, stating that their own feedback from Palantir customers pointed to similar levels of satisfaction. UBS identified Palantir's government and commercial segments as areas with particularly strong growth potential. UBS analyst Carl Kierstead even argued that Chief Executive Officer Alex Karp's informal statement that the company's United States commercial division could grow 10 times in the next 5 years is not an unrealistic outlook given the evidence. Despite this optimism, UBS remained somewhat cautious. While Kierstead acknowledged that Palantir's fundamentals are very strong and even suggested that the stock should trade at a meaningful premium compared to other enterprise software firms, he also pointed out a significant concern. Palantir shares are already trading at more than 200 times expected earnings over the next 12 months, which means the valuation is extremely high relative to peers. UBS therefore maintained a neutral rating for the stock with a price target of $165. Kierstead added that UBS is willing to be more flexible with its normal valuation rules for Palantir, but the firm would prefer to see the stock trade at a lower price before turning more bullish. While analyst opinions remain mixed, one area where Palantir's success is undeniable is in the performance of Cathie Wood's investment. Over the past 12 months, Palantir's stock has skyrocketed by approximately 351%, making it one of the most impressive runs in the technology sector. Cathie Wood, who manages ARK Invest and is known for her bold and concentrated investment style, has been rewarded handsomely. Her stake of 4,080,000 Palantir shares, which she has held consistently despite volatility, is now valued at around $636 million. Just 1 year ago, that same stake was worth about $141 million. This means that in a single year, her position has generated nearly $495 million in gains. To put this achievement into perspective, Palantir's market capitalization has swelled to $370 billion, firmly placing it among the best performing technology stocks in the market over the last year. Wood began building her Palantir position back in the year 2020, and although she's adjusted her holdings at various points along the way, the fact that she kept her 4,080,000 shares steady during the past year has proven to be a strikingly profitable decision. Her patience and conviction in Palantir's long-term vision have now been validated with one of the most remarkable payoffs in her portfolio. This outcome also provides a broader lesson for other investors. Palantir's extraordinary rally highlights highlights the potential upside of backing companies at the forefront of artificial intelligence and data analytics. Although volatility has been part of Palantir's story, the results demonstrate how conviction-driven strategies can yield massive rewards when combined with a strong company performance. Cathie Wood's gains serve as a reminder that staying focused on a long-term thesis, even through short-term turbulence, can result in extraordinary wealth creation. Palantir's performance over the past 12 months has become a case study in the power of patience and conviction in investing. It shows how quickly fortunes can shift when an innovative company finds itself in the right position within the right market environment. For Wood, the gains are not just measured in financial terms, they represent a validation of her approach, which prioritizes vision and belief in transformative technologies. What began as a bold bet on Palantir has now become nearly $500 million in realized gains, proving that sometimes sticking to a strategy through market noise can pay off far more than many expect. For other investors, this story also underscores the importance of understanding both the risks and rewards of investing in high-growth technology companies. Palantir stock has delivered staggering returns, but it has also traded at valuations that many analysts consider extremely stretched. This means that future investors must balance excitement about growth with caution about valuation. Nonetheless, the past year has proven that Palantir is capable of defying skeptics and rewarding those who believed in its long-term potential. Palantir Technologies extended its winning streak this week as its stock climbed for a second straight day, fueled by upbeat analyst commentary following its artificial intelligence platform conference. Bank of America Securities reaffirmed a buy rating with a $180 price target, citing Palantir's strong ability to turn artificial intelligence into real solutions for clients such as American Airlines Group, BP, and Novartis. UBS echoed optimism about growth in both government and commercial sectors, though it maintained a neutral rating due to the stock's lofty valuation of more than 200 times expected earnings. Beyond Wall Street, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest has been one of the biggest beneficiaries, with her 4,080,000 shares surging in value from $141 million to $636 million in just 12 months, a gain of nearly $495 million. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.